I think everybody understands that security is top of mind for many IT managers these days, given the numerous attacks, the Equifaxes and similar kinds of attacks. What we're trying to emphasize is all the security and the goodness of security that we've built into our PowerEdge servers that's at that level that most IT managers may not worry about. They worry about antivirus tools, they worry about firewall strategy, and physical intrusion into the building. We want to talk about, well, you've also got to worry about the security that's built into your server infrastructure, into the hardware and firmware, because that's really key. When you think about you're running these sensitive workloads in your data center, you want that to be on the most secure platform and foundation that you can get. We've been a leader in server security for many years. We were the first to really use the idea of burning in security keys to do very high-grade encryption of secrets. It's a feature that we call Credential Vault. We've been doing that for several years. In 14G, we take that to another level, where we're actually using burned-in keys, and like to call this the silicon root of trust. These keys cannot be hacked. They can't be altered. And they're burned into silicon, and what this does is this allows you to check firmware that's booting. So when you turn on the server, your BIOS, in our case, iDRAC firmware boots, that gets checked by those keys. If you do a firmware update, it's also a foundation to check that as well. So that's probably the most important innovation that we brought to our 14G servers. You want to ask your vendors, are they doing the things necessary to secure their server architecture? Are they signing their firmware? Are they using silicon root of trust for secure booting? So in the end, you want a trusted supplier, somebody you can depend on, that you're not going to be the next person that's going to be the victim of a very sophisticated attack. So Dell, we believe, with our PowerEdge 14G service, has taken security to a much higher level and gives you that sense of trust and assurance that you're buying from a vendor that is going to give you a secure data center.